Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on how I make temporary locks on my hair. So let's get into the video. It is always important to start on a clean, detangled and well moisturized hair to avoid any form of breakage. I will be parting my hair into 3 strands, then I will do a tight braids at the roots of my hair. After that, I will do a very loose braid from this point to the end of my hair. When braiding your hair, it is important for you not to borrow. When I mean borrow, I mean when you're doing 3 strands, if one of the strands finishes and it's maybe remaining 2 strands, you will not borrow from the other strands to be 3 strands. Don't do that. Instead, twist or twirl your hair. So I will be repeating this process for the rest part of my hair. Moisturized, part, braid. That's what I'm going to be doing continuously. If you have watched to this extent, please subscribe, on post notification and leave a thumbs up. After braiding, I dust my ends to make it look neater. After that, I moisturized my scalp. I love this style so much because it makes it so easy for you to access your scalp. This sprit I used on my scalp keeps my scalp very healthy. After that, I went ahead to oil my scalp. Then I lightly massage my scalp. The hair oil I used in this video tackles hair loss and stimulates hair growth. I will be leaving some hair tips in the description and the link to where you can get this product. This is the final result. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.